Which Indian state has launched flood warning system named IFLOWS? Option A Delhi, option B Maharashtra, option B West Bengal, option D Odisha. Right answer is B. Which state has launched Play Little Study Little scheme for school students? Option A Assam, option B Tripura, option C Nagaland, option D Arunachal Pradesh. So right answer is option A Assam. On which date Niti Aayog launched Decarbonizing Transport in India project? Option A June 24th, option B June 25th, option C June 26th, option D June 27th. So right answer is option C. Which country has launched national security law recently? Option A Hong Kong, option B China, option C South Korea, option D North Korea. The right answer is option B China. Which Indian has entered the Forbes list of world's top 10 richest people? Option A Azim Premji, option B Uday Kotak, option C Mukesh Ambani, option D Gautam Adani. The right answer is C Mukesh Ambani. Which international body has asked Myanmar to ensure safe returns of Rohingyas? Option A United Nations, option B ICJ International Court of Justice, option C UNSC, option D UNHRC. The right answer is option D UNHRC, United Nations Human Resources Commission. Which state government has planned to launch Indira Rosai Yojana? Which Indian state government has planned to launch Indira Rosai Yojana? Option A Rajasthan, option B Chhattisgarh, option C Punjab, option D Maharashtra. The right answer is Rajasthan, option A only. India has pledged how much amount to UNRWA for next 2 years? United Nations Relief Workers Agency. UNRW means United Nations Relief Workers Agency. Okay. So option A US dollar 5 million US dollars, option B 10 million US dollars, option C 12 million US dollars, option D 15 million US dollars. The right answer is option B 10 million US dollars. The world's first yoga university outside India has been launched in which country? Option A France, option B Italy, option C USA, option D UK. The right answer is option C USA. Who is the chairperson of the committee reconstruction to look into the welfare of the freedom fighters? Option A Ajay Kumar, option B Kishan Reddy, option C NK Singh, option D Nityanand. So option right answer is answer B. The center has granted how much emergency fund to the armed forces? Option A 300 crores, option B 500 crores, option C 750 crores, option D 1000 crores. The right answer is option B 500 crores. Who launched that e-blood services mobile app? Option A Narendra Modi, option B Ramnath Kovind, option C KK Shailaja, Option D, Harshavardhan, Dr. Harshavardhan. The right answer is Dr. Harshavardhan, the Central Health Minister. Telangana Formation Day is celebrated on June 2nd, option B, June 8th, option C, June 9th, option D, June 4th. The right answer is option A, June 2nd. The United Nations has honored which state's health ministry by sending invitation for UN panel discussion on World Public Service Day? Option A, Kerala, option B, Karnataka, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, Goa. The right answer is option A, Kerala. The center has allocated how much amount for the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? Option A, 1000 crores, option A, 10,000 crores, option B, 12,000 crores, option C, 15,000 crores, option D, 20,000 crores. The right answer is 15,000 crores. West Bengal state has extended its lockdown till which date? Option A, July 15th, 2020. Option B, July 31st, 2020. Option C, August 15th, 2020. And option D, August 38th, 2020. So right option is option B, July 31st, 2020. Who participated in Russian India-China Ministers meeting on June 23rd, 2020? Who participated in Russian India-China Ministers meeting on June 23rd, 2020? Option A, S. Jaishankar, option B, Rajnath Singh, option C, Amit Shah, option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. The right answer is option A, S. Jaishankar. Which nation has temporarily suspended the insurance of H-1B visa and other work visas? Option A, UAE, option B, France, option C, UK, and option D, USA. The right answer is option D, USA. Which country recently decided to join the UN Arms Trade Treaty? Option A, India, option B, China, option C, Iran, option D, Israel. The right answer is Israel. All international commercial flights to and from India will remain suspended till when? July 1st, option A, July 1st, option B, July 15th, option C, July 31st, option D, July 22nd. The right answer is up to July 15th. Which Indian state has announced that Gautam Nyay Yojana to procure cow dung from cattle owners? Option A, Jharkhand, option B, Chhattisgarh, option C, Bihar, option D, Odisha. The right answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which nation has passed a bill to sanction China over Hong Kong security law? Option A, US, option B, UK, option C, Germany, option D, Russia. The right answer is US, means USA. Which nation's space corporation is planning to take the first tourist on a spacewalk in 2023? Option A, US, option B, France, option C, China, option D, Russia. The right answer is Russia. Who introduced Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme? Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced that. How many crore people are benefited in this scheme? 80 crore people are benefited. So why they are benefited? The government providing free ration to the 80 crore people of India. Recently it was extended, that the scheme is extended 6 months. So up to the scheme implemented November 2020. Who is the father of India's nuclear program? Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba. In his name, one research organization also there. It is known as Baba Atomic Research Center. It is located in Mumbai. When did India conduct its first nuclear test? In which place? India conducted its first nuclear test in 1974, May 18. At the time, who was the Prime Minister? Indira Gandhi ji. In this program, in the name of Smiling Buddha, is the code. It is the code of that. When did India conduct its second nuclear test? In the year 1998, May 11. At the time, who was the Prime Minister? Vajpayee from BJP government. Which government opposes the central government schemes? Mamata Banerjee is in West Bengal government, oppose the schemes of central government. She belongs to Trinamool Congress Party, TMC. Which government shooted and killed the monkeys recently? Himachal Pradesh government. Arvind Kejriwal is the CM of Delhi. Delhi, the union territory. In Delhi, the largest coronavirus cases are recorded in Delhi area. Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Anil Baijal. Who is the Deputy CM of Delhi? Manish Sisodia. When did our Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, launched the first India's social media app? 5th July 2020. What is the name of that first social media app? Option A, Bharat World. Option B, Elements. Option 3, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Option 4, Global India app. The right answer is option B, Elements. ELYMENTS. Which day celebrated International Day of Cooperatives? The right answer is July 4th. When did we celebrated Dharma Chakra Day? July 4th in 2020. Which city is known as Land of Black Diamond? Asansol. It is in West Bengal. Which city is known as Andhra Paris? Tenali. Which city is known as City of Lakes? Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Which city is known as Silk City of India? Right answer is Bhagalpur in Bihar. Which city is known as Mini Mumbai? The right answer is Indore. When did our Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited to Galwan Valley? It is located in Ladakh. 2020. Which day? July 3. When did P.V. Narasimha Rao 100 years birthday celebrations celebrated? 28th June 2020 in Telangana. He belongs to Telangana. South India's first Prime Minister of India. He introduced that liberalization policy. Which bank launched that e-Kisan Dhan app for the farmers? The right answer is HDFC Bank. Who is the ICMR director? General Balram Bhargav.